Hey guys, Sam here. Today's about 8 in the morning. It's November the 4th. Man, we're already in November, fixing to end of the year, fixing to end this year. Anyways, I got this book ordered from Amazon. It's a book for the Power Glide transmission handbook, and it's from Carl. Let's see there, Monroe. And it's got some pretty good information in here about Power Glide transmissions. So it kind of tells you how to rebuild it or modify the Chevrolet's Power Glide. So it's got quite a bit of information in here. So I'm going to use this book to try to rebuild that. I'm not going to modify it. I'm just going to go original. I don't know what you can modify on them. I hadn't really gone through the book other than just look through the pages a little bit. Also got some new products. Got a Edelbrock Carburetor Street Performance, model number 1405. I went ahead and picked that for the engine, and it's got the automatic choke. It's not the electric choke. So unbox that. Hopefully this will work out. Like I said, I was debating between going EFI or carburetor, so I went ahead and just got a carburetor for now. Maybe later on, get the car running or something, I'll convert to EFI. All right, we got it unboxed there. So well, what does that say? Using E85 fuel will void the warranty. Alright. Let's see how this is going to look on that engine. Get the plastic off of there. There we go. Should go that way. There we go. See, we got 4 mounting holes here, so I guess not 4, but 8. It's got 2 on each side. So I guess you can put the studs wherever you want on this side or that side. We got that. Also picked up a, what is this called? Pertronix Distributor. This one's called the Flamethrower High Performance Products Billet Distributor. So let's take a look at that one. Let me put you on pause and I'll unbox this. Hang on just a minute. Alright, so here's what the distributor looks like. They have these with different color caps, I think, rotor caps, and this is like the original, kind of like the original one. Well, get it in the picture there. And I also believe that they make one with, well, I'm sure they do, they make one with the rotor cap that's got the little window in the front to make it look more original. Like if, it doesn't have any points. I'm trying to say is a cap like this one. It's got that little window to make it look like original, like if it had points where you adjust the points in there. But I just got one that's got the closed. It's got the vacuum advance, and so there is no points in this one. This is a pretty nice looking distributor. And I've got the old one in here. I just stuck it in there the other day just to have it in there. But yeah, so we got 2 new products for the engine. Next thing I'm probably going to order is the water pump. I got to choose a water pump, see what, if I'm going to go with either a chrome one or satin finish, kind of aluminum finish, like the heads. So we'll see what we get there. I haven't got anything else going other than I'm probably going to just kind of mess with these new parts here and try to get them on the engine. So, alright guys, if I get anything else done, I'll bring you back. If not, that'll be the video for today. I know I hadn't been putting out that many videos. It's just kind of been slow progress here, and so hopefully I can finish this engine probably before the end of the year, and the transmission, and then get it back together and maybe stick it in the car and get it out of the way and get some more room in here. I know it doesn't look like it, but I cleaned up a little bit around here. Still got a mess. Alright guys, I'll bring you back later. Hey guys, I'm back. I decided to compare these 2 distributors, the original one and then the new one. And as you can see there, I hope that's not going to be a problem, but there's about an inch difference in the height of these distributors just by setting them on the bench. So I know there's not very much clearance from the firewall when the engine sets in there, and then the distributor, there's not much clearance up to the firewall and above it. But like I said, I hope that doesn't end up being a problem, because that's quite a bit of difference there. An inch may not seem like much, but it could definitely be a problem. So I don't know if I'll have to go back with something original with points, or see where I end up. But I guess, I mean, I'm stuck with this one now. When did I buy this? I bought this distributor and the carburetor probably a couple of weeks back. I just had not opened them or anything. Alright, thought I'd show you the difference on that. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, Sam here. It's still Sunday, November the 4th. I was just kind of going through what I need to order next to get this engine completed, and I found my old water pump, and I'm gonna go ahead and order another one. But I pulled out this and the timing chain cover. I don't know where the original one is, but this is the one I bought. But when I put this water pump here, it's not gonna quite mount. Well, if I get the camera right, it's not gonna quite mount to the engine block. It's hitting on the back of the timing chain cover, so it leaves about probably a 1/16 of a gap from it hitting the engine block. So when I get a water pump, I guess I'm gonna have to get one that it's gonna fit. I've seen that they have a short neck and a long neck, but I don't know what I'm gonna have to look for to get it not to be hitting the back of the timing chain cover. So anyways, there's another problem with putting all these parts that are not original to the engine. So I'll see what I need to do there. Alright guys, I'll bring you back after a while, or if I get anything done. Like I said, I was just kind of cleaning up and then trying to write down what I'm going to order next. Spark plugs, trying to figure out if I'm going to go with different manifolds or what I'm going to do. But anyways, bring you guys back after a while.